characteristic like it should be separately identifiable, then it should be having a tangible evidence, then identifiable point in time, then there is like a legally enforced and transferred, then there should be a income stream from that particular asset, and there should be like a subject to destruction or a determination termination. So, what exactly that is? So, separately identifiable that is a it should have any IP if you take example say patent or trademark or copyright, they should have a separately they should able to you should able to do the activity like a sell and take kind of activity. So, that separate identity should be there, and yes patent have that kind of or any IP have that kind of a standing, that is a separately identifiable. Then the tangible, yes, because you are converting that patent into the draft, you are filing that particular thing and you are using it into the product. So, that kind of evidence is there definitely. Then identifiable, yes, it is following that identification criteria. Then yes, you can legally enforce because you know that it is a territorial rights once you register that lifetime that 20 years for patent and all other we know the respective life period and all that thing. So, accordingly you can do the enforcement. Yes, you can transfer that particular such like other properties, and therefore, you can give it to friend, you can give it to her, you can gift it, whatever you want to do you can do with that thing. Yes, definitely IP is giving you income. So, that thing is there, and subject to destruction or a termination, yes, they are capable means after that particular period of time, yes, they are like the value completely it is going into the public domain. So, totally all this criteria whatever are there for the asset are completely followed when we are talking about a IP.